Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks for all. My name is Ani Sofatun. I am a corresponding author for the research paper. The title is The Analysis of Students and Literacy Competencies Based on the Coastal Wisdom Used in Moodle Learning during COVID-19 pandemic. Introduction. The development of 21st century life provides challenge for the world of education. The education system is expected to be able to adapt to any change while maintaining religious values and national characters. The COVID-19 pandemic has presented its challenge for the teachers to overcome educational problem by innovating online learning. Abeda et al. 2020. Teachers are increasingly adaptive and understanding the characteristic of students in distant learnings. Information is not seen as the knowledge owned individually, but as a global dimension assisted by technology. According to Malik, stated that the convergence of technology and the flow of globalization will have the major impact of the people knowledge. The world of education needs to equip the student with the importance of literacy, sensitivity to the environment, and love and national culture. Milankova and Lamsova 2021. Thus, it is expected that students have high adaptability to change, are selective about information, and can contribute to positive and social life. Literature review, Moodle. Moodle has the acronym of Modular Object Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment. Moodle is the digital learning platform provide opportunities for the teachers to increase creativity in facilitating distant learning, K-12 and higher education, Pagan and Medina. Why? We choose the Moodle learning to measure the scientific literacy skill because it has a more complete facilities such as the providing media feature for learning and distribution of teaching materials, facilitating various types of learning services, and facilitating the communicating media between teachers, student, and the other user. There are 18 features that can be developed through the Moodle, including assignment, chat, glossary, feedback, folder, book form, and etc. etc. Literature review. Student science literacy. A literate generation can also explain the natural phenomenon, understand the characteristic of science, and draw conclusions based on fact. Have an awareness of the importance of science and technology is shaping nature, intellectuality, culturally, and the active participate in the car about issues related to science. OECD 2016. There are many topics become an issue to stimulate the scientific literacy competence not only for students but will provide great benefit based on the community basis. One of the Gresik district is a coastal area bordering the Java Sea and the Madura State, which has good local wisdom potential. Research for the objective of this study is conduct to analysis of student scientific literacy competencies of coastal wisdom using the Moodle learning platform during COVID-19 pandemic. Consists of two parts. The one is the describing the student performance of scientific literacy. Second, the knowing the gender differences factor to student science literacy competence of coastal wisdom use the Moodle learning platform. Methods. The research is classified as descriptive quantitative. The subject of this study was 65 students of the private junior high school in Gresik Regency, East Java, Indonesia. That consists of 44.62% of male students and 55.38% for the female students. Participants were tested for the scientific literacy skill using the CWS as an instrument. The validity of CWSL instrument was declared valid at the significant level. The result of the analysis showed that the estimation of Cronbach alpha reliability is 0.597, which is classified as good category. Result and discussion. The table 1 show that the 19 students have scientific literacy competence in good category and 7 students or 10.77% in the very good category. Meanwhile, as many as 10 students or 15.38% have scientific literacy skill in enough category, and 2 students need intensive assistance to their scientific literacy. Table 3, the result of statistical test of distribution of scientific literacy score based on the coastal wisdom can be seen in table 3. Overall, the data show that scientific literacy skill in the fair category and close to be good category with average value mean of 56.12 with the standard deviation of 90.5. This indicates that the topic of coastal wisdom material has an attraction for some students during distance learning due to the COVID-19 pandemic, although competency in scientific literacy indicator need to be improved. Table 4. Based on the table 4, it can be seen that the scientific literacy ability to male students in the context of coastal wisdom is slightly lower than female students. The average value of scientific literacy competence for male students is 50.57 and female students are 60.65 in the moderate category. Female students have good mastery in various aspects such as the understanding of finding scientific concepts from the information, designing and investigation, scientific research, finding scientific evidence, scientific investigation, and communicating data and conclusion. Meanwhile, the male student can be conclude. The highest scientific literacy competence in the indicator of interpreting data and scientific evidence C3, where male students get a score of 68.10 and girls 77.39 in the good category. This shows that student ability to analyze and evaluate data, convey claim, and argument in various representations well in online learning through Moodle. Next, the figure 1 is the profile of scientific literacy competence based on the gender differences. Both male and female students have the same profile in scientific literacy skill, namely the ability to interpret scientific data and evidence, C3, which is more prominent than the ability to design and scientific inquiry, or C2. Meanwhile, in distance learning, the skill to find information and explain scientific phenomena are low, C1. This shows that scientific literacy competence, the ability to read and absorb information, an important factor in providing support for online learning. Correlate 2021. For this data, we can show that the hobby of reading is one of the factors that support the achievement of scientific literacy, especially for the indicator 1, explain phenomena scientifically. Conclusion. Based on the result of this study, we can conclude that the first, the scientific literacy ability of junior high school students toward coastal wisdom using Moodle learning is the moderate category with the mean value 56.12. Second, the gender differences do not have a significant influence of the scientific literacy ability. Third, the analysis of student scientific literacy ability based on the two inner scientific literacy indicators so that the male and female students have almost the same competence. The indicator of interpreting data and evidence scientifically with good category, but the indicator of explaining phenomena scientifically and designing scientific inquiry in the fair category. The last, the distant learning system using open source Moodle learning has a positive effect on student ability to find pattern and the relationship from the scientific data visualization, make evidence-based decision and enable them to be communicate to others. Just all I think enough for today. Thanks to Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.